Bro, I'm videoing.
God damn.
Yeah, I'm videoing. Hello, guys.
They're too slow, bro. They're too slow.
Why?
Okay.
They're kids.
Should
Let's stop. Yeah, let's stop. Let's stop. It's a good idea. Stop,
I'll,
stop.
I'll stay at the
Stop.
train.
Stop.
I'll stay
Stop, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. No, move a little further.
Okay.
Like a little.
Wait. Do you have fuel?
Yeah. Yeah, stop.
Okay, I'm gonna go on train.
Or you can go in the sides. Because I don't have borders.
You have $10.
I have $20.
Buy a revolver.
Bro, what? Revolver ammo?
Mag-start na. Why what? Should we stop here for a bit?
Yeah.
We have machine guns.
No, you cannot get them.
What's this? Turret ammo?
No.
How to use this?
No. You need to really buy. Those are automatic. If you really buy them, they're not automatic.
I see horse.
Horse without saddle.
No, I see horse without saddle. Oh man.
They're outposts. Do you see a unicorn?
No. I only saw.
Because we get good money if we find a unicorn.
Is this? We need the light, right?
What? You stay here and play?
Kitchen. Oh, it's $50.
See?
Oh my God, 125.
Should I buy you ammo? Yes or no?
I only have 6 ammo. Yeah, we're gonna buy. Let's buy.
Okay. I'm gonna buy it for you.
How to get money?
You go, bro. You can get money like if you go to the banks in like
Okay, let's go to the
dangerous
bank.
city.
Let's go to the bank.
Bro, get the ammo.
Where's my ammo?
It's in the zombie town, the bank. And you need the bank guy. You need to kill the bank guy. Do you know you can be too lucky that Gio found like 100 pounds.
Asa?
400 pounds each.
Continue driving.
We're going back.
Oh, tawag ka lang. Sino nagkatid sa'yo?
Nanay. We're going back because the zombie town is over there, the nearest zombie town.
There's no zombie at front.
There's a zombie out front,
Okay.
but it's very
Zombie-
far.
Zombie town?
It's more far than normal. But it's more far.
Can buy coal?
I don't have enough money.
Use your bag, sack.
I have zombie baby. Bro, this guy's naked. This guy's naked.
Should I?
This guy's naked.
Corpse fuel. Corpse fuel. Can you weld him?
Zombie town. Should I put more?
No.
Okay.
We need to save.
I'm gonna do the glitch. Skibidi toilet. Mommy! 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 What? I don't wanna. Bro, you left me.
No, let me grind that.
If the world wasn't. Bro, he's naked. He's a big naked. No! Wait, I get coal. I got coal. And I got some chairs. You want them? Bro, I'm gonna make a chair wall.
I'm picturing myself.
I'm gonna make a chair wall. Ay- Bro, just picture. I'm gonna make a wall of chair. Yes, Skibidi Sigma. So guys, you're not like I'm gonna do. Let's do. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna make a wall of chairs. And we make like a wall.
This is America.
No, we're going to Mexico. No, this game that if we need to go to
Which
Mexico.
we go now?
We go tomorrow. Mommy, I'm not done yet. Tommy. Sigma boy.
Naadi ang mga tayong nag-iingon ni King Solomon, the wisest man on earth, na nagbuhi sa iyang tayong ay bibig ko hangtod karon, wala ko'y makalapas, wala ko'y makalakaw sa katawag natin mga wisdom na inhatag sa Diyos. Solomon is
Sigma boy. That's it, boy. Sigma boy.
To everything there is a season. To everything there is a time. To everything there is a season. And a time to every purpose under the heaven.
Gotta make a move to what's
Nasilang ng langit ay meron na siya. Number 2.
Gotta make a move to what's Matthew, we're coming. It's nighttime. And we're gonna pee. Bro, we need some money real quick. We'll get bandages to heal ourselves. Even if we're dead. No, like, we can revive with bandages. Yeah.
We don't have to.
Don't have. I found coal, and I'm gonna farm. What the hell? I'm too poor to go inside. I'm lagging to go there. I'm sitting. I'm pooping. It's daytime. Let's go outside. Let's find something poopy. Yes, stay there. And there's a big wolf. And there's a big wolf in the skitty toilet. Shakira. Oh no, he's AFK. Oh no! Who let the dogs out? There's dogs. Help me, there's dogs. Bro, beware, there are dogs outside.
At to get, a time to lose, a time to keep, and a time to struggle, a time to rent, and a time to sue, a time to keep silence, a time to keep silence, a time to speak. At
Yeah.
may time na maminaw
Get
ka.
the code.
At may time no mamusulti ka. Kaya nabidi ang hangin.
I have more chairs on my Sigma boy.
Mahal mo ang bawat isa sa inyo, especially sa inyong pamilya. A time to learn, and a time to read.
You know this one.
Time to
I'm gonna make a wall. I'm gonna make a wall, Matthew. You cannot do this to me. You can't. Bro, you can make a full wall right there.
A time to war and a time to peace. Of course, hindi naman tuloy sa inyong kalaman na ang bansang Pilipinas ngayon ay nasa malaking pagsubok. Even kahit sabihin natin ay hindi tayo
Ready? It's a secret base.
Kaya po, each and every one of us, meron po tayong
Let's go. There's a furniture house.
Muna na yung nagbibigay ang time to love, ang time to hate, ang time to war, and ang time to peace. Ano ganyan tayo sa pagkakas ng mga ulo at
Stay. There's a house. Thank you.
Sa pamilya before, ikaw din mo pag-atong for ikaw din maghatag ng nila o peace sila sa likas.
Leave me.
Pumunta sa kanamo sa ikaw.